Have you tried mayakeggs? These Korean marinated eggs are savory, slightly sweet, and seriously addictive.
Soaked in a flavorsome soy-based sauce with garlic, chilies, and green onions.
They're the perfect side dish or rice topper. Once you try them, you'll understand why Mayak means addictive.
Let's get the ingredients ready. Gather everything you need before we start. Start by chopping your green and red chilies into small pieces, though at just the right amount of heat.
Next, dice the onion, mince the garlic, and slice the spring onion. Getting everything prepped now will make the cooking process much smoother.
In a container, add the chopped chilies, diced onion, minced garlic, and sliced spring onion.
Next, pour in the soy sauce, honey, and water. Then add a good sprinkle of sesame seeds.
Mix everything well, pop the lid on, and set it aside to let the flavors develop.
Fill the pot with water, add a pinch of salt and white vinegar, then bring this to a boil, then gently pop the eggs in.
Boil the eggs for exactly 6 minutes to achieve a soft and jammy yolk.
While the eggs are boiling, prepare a bowl of ice water to cool them down quickly once they're done. Once the eggs are done, remove them from the pot and place them straight into the ice water to stop the cooking process. Leave the eggs in the ice water for at least 10 minutes. This also helps them cool down fully and makes peeling easier. Once the eggs have cooled for 10 minutes, peel them, then pop them into the marinade to soak up all the flavor.
Put the lid on and place the eggs in the fridge overnight to allow the flavors to fully develop. This is how the Mayak eggs look after marinating overnight. Beautifully infused and full of flavor. The aroma is incredible.
Serve the eggs over a bowl of steamed rice and spoon over some of the marinade for extra flavor.
Just look at that. It looks absolutely appetizing. We can't wait to give it a try.
Save this video and follow for more recipes.